Very nice.
Signed up as a Pampered Chef consultant because I like their seasonings and I like a lot of their products. I like their stuff enough that I thought, well, I might as well sell or sign up as a consultant to get like discounts on it. So that was my reasoning. And so this is my sign up box. I waited until they were having a special. It's in January, they're having a special. And so that's why I did it in January, because I've talked about it for how long?
Yes, a
6
long
months.
time.
6 months. I'm gonna unbox the welcome package. I got the lowest one. You can get like a high one that's a lot more with like an air fryer and stuff. But there's I think there's 4 different things. But I already have an air fryer. I don't need another one.
Yeah.
So anyways,
here we
okay.
go.
So JC's gonna unbox this with me.
So there's this box.
I think that's probably the startup kit.
Oh,
scan to walk through what's inside. So that's, we're not going to do that, but
I think it's a recipe.
Oh.
Here, let me turn it so I can see.
So that's nice.
So,
Use some kind of booklet. We'll figure out what that is.
And then,
is that an apron? I feel like we both need aprons.
there's a sweet basil rub in here.
Ooh.
It's just kind of like random stuff.
There is so many Pampered Chef seasonings that I like really like. And use like daily. They have a garlic herb seasoning, and they also have like a Parmesan garlic oil that I really like. And but they do have like some really good seasonings.
This is like a recipe book. So here's hot and ham and cheese sliders. Yeah. And here's a spatula. It was in here.
Ooh.
Oh, there's your.
They do have nice kitchen tools and stuff.
Yeah, Mom has a lot of like spatulas and stuff.
It is $38 this month, and it's normally $50, and that's for like the lowest level to sign up for a consultant. So here's what else comes with it. What are we gonna do next?
And check out the apron.
Yes,
it's very nice. Pencils.
Here's the spatula.
I'd say that's like probably a small one. Like
small spatula.
What?
Adjustable measuring spoon set.
So they are adjustable.
Awesome.
Just put your thumb on the thing. There you go.
And then you see all the different sizes. So I do like that.
Yeah. This is a coated knife.
Coated chef's knife. I do like a good knife. Oh. I might have cut myself. If we see blood, that's a nice knife.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Very nice. A mini serving spatula.
Mini spatula?
That's very nice.
Why would you use a mini spatula?
Maybe like for
mini pieces of pie? That's true.
Like garlic press. Oh.
Okay, here's the garlic press. It's nice. You just put... See, it's a garlic press. You stick your garlic in there, and then it comes out here. It's pretty handy.
But yeah, that looks like it. And then, what's this? 3-pack of cutting boards?
Oh, cutting boards. Yes.
Those are nice to just grab.
Daniel likes these for the camper.
Oh,
they're nice for the camper, yes.
Yep.
Yeah. But those are actually, those are nice. Southwestern seasoning. I have not tried this, but I do like a lot of them. I know bagel seasoning better, and then the pizza seasoning. There's a lot of Pampered Chef seasonings that are very popular.
Taco too, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah, the taco's good.
There is, Medium pizza stone came with the box.
Man, that is like.
These are very nice. I actually got one of these and it was actually something that I've used a lot.
It's really nice.
I got the bigger one though, but this is like very
nice. Size.
It is very nice. I like having a stone for my pizza. It is nice. Yeah,
for sure.
Yeah. So, anyways,
that's everything.
Link in my bio if you want any of these products or want to sign up. Okay, bye.